Hey there! In this video, you'll learn how to use keyboard and mouse shortcuts to speed up the way you edit and explore your maps. When you see a map, click on any node to select it. To unselect it, click on the background. To start editing a node, use the space key. You can also double-click on the node, or click on the edit icon here. To add a child to this node, use the tab key, or click on the plus icon to the right of the node. To add a sibling, use the enter key, or click the plus icon on the bottom of the node. Use the arrow keys to explore the map. The right arrow key takes you deeper into the map, and the left arrow key takes you closer to the root. Use the up and down arrow keys to navigate to its siblings. To zoom in or zoom out of the map, hold the Control key and scroll up or down with your mouse. Mastering these shortcuts will help you stay in the flow and get your work done faster without having to switch between the mouse and keyboard. I hope you have a great time putting your ideas on a map and brainstorming with your team. Happy mapping!